Hi, I'm Dave Murphy, Business Development Manager for Wacker Neuson. I'm here today to take you on a walk around of the TH627 ground engaging telehandlers. This is one of the best solution providing machines on the market today because the 3-in-1 design offers you the digging capability of a wheel loader, the attachment versatility of a skid steer, and the ability to lift in place like a telehandler. I want to start right here with the nomenclature TH627 because that can be a bit confusing. The TH does stand for telehandler, but the 627 is a metric measurement. When you convert that to imperial, this machine will lift 5,500 pounds to 18 feet 5 inches in the air, which is standard in this size machine in the industry. Just below the nomenclature, you can see the ground clearance, another very important feature on this machine. If you're going to run this machine in a job site application, you need it to be a hardy machine with good ground clearance, and you can see that we have industry leading. The Wacker Neuson TH627 is powered by a 74 horsepower Kohler KDI diesel engine. Now this is important because the Kohler was built ground up to be a Tier 4 final machine. It uses a DOC, diesel oxidation catalyst, for the after treatment, meaning there's no filters, there's no maintenance, there's no DEF fluid, and best of all, no regeneration cycle to interfere with the production of this machine. Also, everything in this wide open space is very easily accessible for the operator. So doing daily checks, oil, air, fuel, coolant is all accessible at ground level, so your operator's not climbing over, under, or on any piece of the equipment. Staying safe, 2 feet on the ground, and able to do the operation checks for the day. Moving on, we want to pay specific attention to the boom design. You'll notice on this machine that the boom is much more horizontal. It also attaches to the plate on a 45-degree angle versus a 90 that you will see in most other machines. Those, yes, increase visibility, but they also increase the diggability of this machine, making it operate much more like a wheel loader. Also important to notice on this boom is the C-frame with the weldment in the center. What that does is protect the structural integrity of the corners of the boom where you're going to get the most stress. The boom then goes down and connects to a universal skid steer attachment plate. This universal skid steer attachment plate is what really makes this the Swiss Army knife of compact equipment. Yes, you can run forks for lift in place, but you can also attach to a bucket, you could attach to a sweeper, you could attach to a snowblower, even an auger, where you could reach out and over and dig holes. So many different uses for this machine, and this is what really creates the productivity advantage. Any of those attachments that need auxiliary flow, it comes standard with 23.4 GPM of auxiliary hydraulic flow. Finally, we're here at the operator station. The TH627 comes in two options: the open canopy, as you see here, and also a fully pressurized enclosed cab that will have both heat and AC. Both options have the wide opening for ease of access and great comfort for the operator. Once inside, you'll see I have plenty of headroom. I also have really great 360 visibility. The horizontal boom allows me to see on both sides and my load, and all of my functions are right here within hand reach. The machine comes with an ergonomic single joystick control for all boom functions. Up and down, the boom in and out, and my auxiliaries. Here is my 3-selector switch for the steering modes. The TH627 comes with 4-wheel steer, 2-wheel steer, and crab steer. Two of the things that make the TH627 truly unique, though, are the load sensing system and the load management system. The load sensing system gives you real-time feedback on the load on the front if the machine starts to tip. You'll see you have a meter here that will go up, and as you start to get into an overload situation, it gives that operator the feedback to know. The load management system, as you know, we told you the versatility of this machine. Because of that, it gives you 3 functions. You have this diagram of a loader bucket, diagram of pallet forks, and then one that's a hand. If I place the machine into the loader mode, I'm telling the TH627 that I'm going to utilize it as a wheel loader. Because of that, when I have the load up in the air and I retract it, it will pull the load back as fast as it can and then down. This is because with a bucket, with the maximum capacity in the bucket, I have the greatest opportunity to tip, so it pulls that load back and brings it down. When I place it into fork mode, that tells the machine I want to run it as a forklift. And it will sense where my forks are, and as I boom down, it will boom in and down simultaneously to keep my load parallel with the surface I'm up against. That would be loading onto a flatbed, that would be loading on top of a wall, or most importantly onto scaffolding. The picture with the hand tells it I'm not going to use it in either one of those applications, and I would like full manual control. So by placing that, the machine allows me to have total control over the boom up, down, and in-out functions, still protected by the load sensing system. So now you've seen what sets apart the Wacker-Neuson TH627. Yes, it's a great lift-in-place telehandler, but it also has the digging capability of a wheel loader and the attachment versatility of a skid steer. Everything you need to do on a job site, you can do with this one versatile machine. To learn more, see your local Wacker-Neuson dealer or check us out online at wackerneuson.com.